Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get the second and third floor and steal a Brainrot on Roblox. So let's get started. To unlock the second floor, you'll need to rebirth twice. Open the Rebirth menu from the side of your screen to check the current requirements. Before you can rebirth, you must own the required Brainrots in your base and have enough in-game money to meet the rebirth cost. Keep in mind that every time you rebirth, your Brainrots and money will be reset, so make sure you're ready before confirming. Once you've collected everything you need, open the Rebirth menu, press the Rebirth button, and confirm your choice. Repeat this process until you've completed your second rebirth. After your second rebirth, a staircase will appear outside your base. If you're facing your base from the front, you'll find it on the right side. Use the stairs to access your newly unlocked second floor. To unlock the third floor, you'll need to continue rebirthing until you've reached a total of 10 rebirths. You can check your current rebirth count by opening the player list in the game. Once you've completed your 10th rebirth, a ladder will appear on the second floor of your base. Climb the ladder to access the third floor and enjoy the extra space it provides. That's all there is to it. You now know how to unlock both the second and third floors in Steal a Brainrot on Roblox. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.